Do I look good? Do I look like a goddamn actor for coming here? I don't know. Next year maybe. So I'm walking in the Cote. Nothing special. Nizza is much adorable. Just another bay city with a lot of wannabe rich people, or they are rich people. Clouds are coming. It's gonna be rain. One more day. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Monaco, the last day. After that I'm coming home. I don't know if you can see anything. Nothing special to show. Only this, let me show you. There is a festival Cote, but not for the movies, some kind of creativity festival. But I found this Dolce Gabbana store. But you know, Dolce Gabbana is good because they have outlet clothes, you know. So if you want need Dolce Gabbana outlet, you get this guy, you see, check it out, you see, Dolce Gabbana outlet, guys, you know. So if you can't get it here, guys, you go to the outlet of Dolce Gabbana, the first quality. Let's go check out further. What do we have here? This is Cote, guys, a little bit, nothing special, farmers, everything, a lot of scooters again. Restaurants are full of people. Not like in Slovenia that there's like nobody, man. Actually people are eating, but the prices are terrible for my standard. Really terrible. Like, I don't know, scoop of ice cream, 3 euros. So this is Cote, guys. Every time I'm walking I found something interesting. So this is a beautiful place. Above the Cote there's a nice chateau. Like they say, it's a castle. And I'm really sad that I couldn't visit this. I forgot. Today I went for a trip with a boat on the Saint Marguerite. It's an island next to Cannes. I'm kind of sorry that I went there because nothing special. There were just like beautiful beaches and that's it. No. So Saint Marguerite was on that side. And again, poor people all over, all around me. I can't help it, everybody. I can't help you guys. I don't have money for all of you. Check this shit out. This guy has a goddamn fuck house. How do you say? Bordel. Kurve. Look at this poor bastard. He's so lonely. He's poor. He eats pizza. Ah, that's for poor people, man. He's so lonely. Look at this shit. Want me to help you eat that pizza? Shit, oh my god, now again some poor people. I feel sorry for them, guys, I really do. Shit, I don't know how do they live. You know, I don't know, if I was in their place, I don't know, I would just kill myself. Shit, that's too much. That's just too much. God damn it. So many poor people around. I don't know what to do, yeah. Hey man, you need a corn, you need a coin? Quarter. And if I envy something, I envy to this guy. Guys, look at them. Whenever they're bored, they go to the beach. Beach is all over, guys. Every goddamn year all around, it's fucking good weather. Not in our place where it's always rain and snow. They're just chilling out. They say, hey, let's go to the beach. Okay. What the fuck do we say? Hey, let's go to... where? Let's go on Twitch. Yeah, we got Twitch. This is what I like in those places, man. They got beach, man. Sand. Beaches. Everything, you know. Shit. So this is Cote, guys.